LASWELL!
Watch her to yank.
Keep a low profile.
Yuri should have sent you his location by now. Need to blend in better.
Don't go loud, watch it. Affirmative. Arklom Administrative Building, near the hangar. Look for a satellite dish on the roof.
Copy. Dish on the roof.
Yuri won't have much time before they notice he's gone.
Quick and dirty. Neither of us can afford to be compromised.
I know Arklom well. I'll do my best to help you.
Something's up. Approaching the admin building.
So far, so good.
They're on alert. I need to move.
So far, so good.
Все спокойно. Альфа, прочесывает сектор 2. Продолжайте наблюдение. Если они...
Got a problem. Need a security keycard to access.
Good thing you're a spy.
Bet I could find one on an officer. Anyone entering or exiting likely has one.
Good call. Look for an officer leaving the building.
See a major leaving the entrance. He's not alone.
Wait till he's alone and do what needs to be done for his keycard.
Major's breaking away, heading upstairs towards an office.
Could be a good place to catch him alone.
Кто это?
They're on alert. I need to move.
Advise you stay under the radar, LASWELL. Stick to your mission.
Никогда ее раньше. Покажи.
Major's breaking away, heading upstairs towards an office. They're on alert. I
Could be a
need to
good
move.
place to catch him alone.
Доложите обстановку по узлу связи.
В данное время идет установка обновления.
Когда он будет
He's down. Major's breaking away, heading upstairs towards an office. They're on alert. I
Could be a
need to
good
move.
place to catch him alone.
Понял. Доложите обстановку по узлу.
Engaging!
Target eliminated. Keycard secured.
He took one for the team.
Had to be done.
That one's on Makarov, not you.
Yuri better make this worth our while. They see me. Attention here.
You're not here for a gunfight, LASWELL. We have places to go and people to see.
I'm in.
Yuri said he'd be in the storage room down the hall to the right of the entrance.
Got it. Yuri.
Watcher, I'm impressed, but not surprised. Any issues?
Several.
Collateral damage?
I hope it's worth their sacrifice. What do you have?
FSB files and Barkov's research.
Chemical weapons.
As a soldier, Makarov was enamored with their potential.
Can they be neutralized?
I'm giving you everything we know.
Why?
Russia and the West face similar threats from within. It is imperative we collaborate to control them. Противник моего оппонента – мой союзник.
Nikolai бы с этим согласился.
Он настоящий патриот. The Kremlin is not behind these chemicals.
That doesn't mean Makarov isn't working with Moscow.
There are extremists in both our governments. Hmm?
Come again, Bravo.
LASWELL, you there?
Bravo, your signal's weak. Come again.
In the blind. We have 2 missiles incoming to the R-Club base. They have chemical warheads. If you are there, get out.
It's not. There's another one coming.
We have to go. We cannot be free together. LASWELL, go. Dachi.
Take to watch it. LASWELL, come in. Are you alive?
For now. Missile attack, chemical warheads.
Get to the high ground. Look for a way out to the roof for extraction.
Roger. On my way. Coming up now, Nick. You hear?
Circling now. People are dying down there. Hurry, LASWELL. Is Yuri with you?
Negative. We went separate ways.
He's a survivor, like you.
Climbing the ladder now.
Quick, watch as the gas is getting higher. Climb the ladder, LASWELL.
I'm almost to you, Nick. Stand by.
I'm here, LASWELL. I won't leave without you, watchers. LASWELL, I see you. Shot!